I'm going to eat the refrigerator. Wow! It tastes like chicken.
I'm going to cook some turkey and mashed potatoes for tonight's dinner. Hey, where's the refrigerator? Bryan, where's the refrigerator?
I don't know, sir. It's probably in that.
No. First of all, you don't call me sir. I'm your father. And second, where is the refrigerator? 4. Crime. Out. Loud.
Okay. I'm omitted. I ate the refrigerator.
What? You actually eat the freaking refrigerator? Oh my God. Bryan, you little brat. How dare you eat the refrigerator? That costed $400. That's it. You're so grounded for eternity. Go to your room right now. I don't want to hear that annoying voice out of you ever again.